Welcome to this guided meditation on manifesting change. We always start by getting in a relaxed, comfortable position. Perhaps recline in a comfortable chair or consider laying flat. Maybe get a pillow to support your head or a blanket if you like. Now that you're settled, take a nice deep inhale through your nose and a cleansing exhale through your mouth. Ready? Nice big inhale and sigh it out, exhaling through the mouth. And again, nice big inhale, sighing it out, exhaling through your mouth. Gradually allow your body to fall into its natural breathing rhythm. And begin scanning your body for tension anywhere you think you might be holding on to something. Starting with the crown of your head, the muscles of your face, your temples, your jaw, the front of your neck, the back of your head, wherever you're holding your stress, release it. See those muscles relax. Letting the breath open your chest, fill your abdomen, all the tension in your body slowly melting away. The muscles in your lower back relax. Your entire lower body just melts into the surface that's holding you. Big, deep inhale. And with this exhale, release it, surrender it. Surrendering these stressors and this tension to something bigger than you. It doesn't serve you and you don't need it. And as you let go, start to notice how your body responds to the breath. Just observe. During these reflective moments, it's totally normal to have distraction in meditation. 60,000 thoughts scramble in and out of our minds in a single day. And when they scramble in, you can acknowledge them, but don't invite them to stay. Let them go as quickly as they came. Keeping your focus on the breath and noticing the peaceful moments between your thoughts. And with time, these moments will get longer and longer. Always returning back to the breath, allowing it to ground you and bring you fully to this present moment. And from this place of awareness, I want you to plant the seed of your intentions in your heart and in your mind, fully committing to the possibilities that the world presents you every day. There's no room for self-doubt or negative self-talk. That's all just an illusion anyway. The world is filled with abundance. There is enough love, enough success, enough happiness, enough meaning, And it's every human being's birthright to create these things in our lives. There is nothing about you that is any less deserving or capable than any other human being on this planet. And whatever differences you may perceive between yourself and another, maybe you think someone's smarter, prettier, taller, these differences are irrelevant, and they exist only in the eyes of the human ego. They have no bearing or merit on your worth, your value, and your capabilities. Taking in the breath, inhaling the possibility, the limitless potential that is you. Each and every one of us are special. Each and every one of us has a unique purpose. And it's up to you to decide what that is for you. So who are you going to be? What do you want to accomplish? What type of life do you want to live? And I don't want you to speak in generalizations. I want love, I want health, I want affluence. What does health look like to you? Are you running a half marathon to raise money for charity? Maybe you're showing your kids how to do a handstand. Maybe you're just feeling sexy in your own skin. Or love, what kind of people do you want in your life? How do you want them to treat you? If it's financial security, how do you want to make your money? You don't need to know all these answers now. Your life is a living, breathing work of art that you're forever creating and manifesting. So take a few minutes in this beautiful, peaceful space to think on these things. Who do you want to be? What do you want for yourself? Know that version of you is absolutely possible, and in fact, is your destiny, just waiting for you to rise up and take it. See yourself living in this reality. Feel yourself living the life you want. Hold this vision in your heart and in your mind's eye, and allow it to grow and expand. Getting comfortable here in meditation with this reality better allows you to bring it into being. You don't question if you can because your mind already has. You're accepting a reality you've already created. And as you begin to return yourself to a state of reawakening, carry this vision. You are here for a reason. You have a destiny to fulfill, and this work is your purpose. and work with purpose is passion. Make your life your passion. And as this meditation draws to a close, slowly open your eyes, feeling focused, composed, and centered. Thank you for allowing me to take you on this guided meditation, and I'll see you next time.